Continuous Professional Development Program for Non-Option Science Teacher 2021. Inquiry Approach in Teaching Science. Elaborate phase. Let's make a rainbow liquid. This is an example of rainbow liquid. We are going to use 5 different food coloring in this investigation. Here will be a guideline to make a rainbow liquid. Take a look on the instruction given. Here will be all the apparatus and things needed to make the rainbow liquid. Of course, we need to use a food coloring, measuring cylinder, and a cup, but not least a sword and a stirrer. Let's explore together to make this rainbow liquid at home. Alright, so this will be a homework for you. Okay, I will show you the whole process we need to do to carry out this investigation. First of all, we need the beaker filled with water around 100 ml. Okay, to make sure that we give all the cups fill it with the same amount of water. Okay, after measure it, we pour it into the cup given. Alright, cup 1, cup 2, cup 3, cup 4, and cup 5. Make sure that the volume is equal to all of the cup so that we can produce the same amount of water. Okay, and prepare the salt solution. Then you can use a salt, any you prefer. Alright, we're going to pour the different amounts of salt into the water to become a salt solution. For the blue colors, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by the second cup. I'll pour 3 teaspoons of salt. Alright, then followed by 6 teaspoons of salt, followed by 9 teaspoons of salt, and the last one will be 11 teaspoons of salt. Then I'm going to dissolve the salt in the water to make sure that all the salt dissolve fully in the water to become a salt solution. Stir it by using a stirrer. Make sure that all the salt is dissolved fully. Alright? Alright, next we're going to use a dropper. If you don't have a dropper, you can use a small size of the straw. Alright, we dissolve the blue food coloring in cup 1, followed by the yellow color in cup 2. Alright, after we mix it, we stir it. Then followed by red coloring in cup 3. Stir it. Then followed by a green color in cup 4. Alright, we just take a little of it to make a light green. Alright, okay, stir it, make sure that it dissolves in the salt solution. And the last one will be the purple color. Make sure you just take a little of the purple colors to make a light purple. Then we are going to pour the salt solution with 11 teaspoons of salt in it first. Okay, we pour it inside there. Alright, using a straw or dropper slowly. Alright, we make a target until 20 ml inside the measuring cylinder. You can pour it slowly. At the same time, you can stir it. Alright, so for your information, the first layer is around 20 milliliter, okay, as a benchmark. Then followed by the second colors. Okay, because I don't have a droppers, I'm using a straw with a small size so that it can replace the droppers. Okay, followed by the green color solution. Alright, make sure that you drop it slowly. Okay, the second layer, you drop slowly like this. Okay, using a droppers or the small sized straw. Okay, to replace the droppers. Okay, if you have droppers, you can use the droppers, of course. Okay, pour it slowly. Okay, you can tilt a little bit of the measuring cylinder if you want. Okay, pour it slowly like this. Then continue. You can see that the layer is formed. Alright, until almost 40 ml. Alright, now we can see there are two layers inside the measuring cylinder, which is the first layer is the purple color, followed by the green colors. Alright, next we can followed by the third colors, which is the red color solution. Okay, with 6 teaspoons of salt in the salt solution. Alright, we're going to put it one by one. Okay, slowly into the measuring cylinder. Okay, using a small size straw to replace droppers. You can use the droppers too. Okay, at the same time, stir the solution. Make sure that you pour it slowly into the measuring cylinder. Okay, take it slowly. Alright, drop by a drop. Okay, take your time. Make sure that you reach 60 ml as a benchmark. The third layer is formed, as you can see in the picture, in the video. Alright, there are 3 layers, red, green, and purple colors. So next step, we're going to prepare a yellow colors salt solution. Okay, using a droppers, pour it inside the measuring cylinder. Slowly, take your time. Okay, you can take one step by one step. Okay, if a droppers is easier. If you don't have, never mind, you can use a small size straw, okay, to transfer the yellow solution into the measuring cylinder. Take your time, one by one. Alright, very fast. The fourth layer is formed, which is the yellow colors. Maybe the beginning we can't see clearly. After this, we are going to see the fourth layer forms after the red colors in the measuring cylinder. You see that? The yellow colors is formed. Alright, the last one is the blue colors salt solution. We are going to pour it into the measuring cylinder by using a dropper. As you can see, first you can see the layer is formed. You see that the blue colors, between the yellow and blue colors, there is a guideline. Okay, there is a line there. Alright, we are going to proceed with the same procedure, okay, until we reach 100 ml in the measuring cylinder. Alright, the dark blue colors is formed, as you can see in the video. It's very clear. Alright, repeat the procedure. Okay, take it slowly, take time, do it one by one, and you reach the 5th layers. Wow, the blue colors is formed. You can see in the picture, the video. Alright, the beginning of the first layer is green, followed by blue. Alright, this is the overall process of the rainbows that form in the measuring cylinder. Alright, first, second, third, fourth, and 5th layers is formed clearly. Alright, you can try it out at home. Good luck for you all. Don't forget to take a picture, video, and share in the social media. Thank you. Different amounts of teaspoon of salt will form in the different layers as shown in the pictures. Here is a sample how the rainbow looks like. 11 teaspoons of salt, 9 teaspoons of salt, 6 teaspoons of salt, followed by 3 teaspoons of salt, and the last one is 1 teaspoon of salt, which means different amounts of salt in the solution will form a different density in the liquid.